Google One is Google Cloud Storage Services. You can sign up for 100 gigabytes of storage, up to 30 terabytes of storage. One good thing about Google One is it comes with additional benefits. One of those benefits is VPN. You can install that VPN on your mobile phone and also on your PC. Here's how you can install VPN on your Android phone and also on your PC. Now, on your mobile phone, go to Google Play, search for Google One app. If you already have installed it, open it, otherwise, install and then open the app. Scroll down until you go to the box for VPN. Click on Manage. Click on Use VPN. Now, the VPN will be activated on your mobile phone. You can always turn it off or snooze it for 5 minutes. Now, let's install it on your PC. On your web browser, go to one.google.com. On the left-hand side, click on Benefits. Scroll down until you see VPN. Click on View Details. Download app. Once the app is downloaded, click on it to install it. The installation should not take more than a few seconds. And once the app is installed, click on Use VPN. Make sure you have completed the installation before you click on Use VPN. Now your VPN will be activated. You can always turn it off if you don't need it and turn it on. So when you're home, you could turn it off. When you're on public Wi-Fi, you could turn it back on.